How to recover deleted photos on WhatsApp. First of all, if you accidentally deleted a photo, check the chat where it was shared. Sometimes it can still be downloaded again if the sender hasn't removed it. After that, look in your phone's gallery or file manager in the WhatsApp images folder, since photos are often saved there automatically. If you back up your chats to Google Drive or iCloud, you can also uninstall WhatsApp, then reinstall it and choose to restore your chat history during setup. This will bring back photos saved in the backup. Finally, you can ask the person you were chatting with to resend the image if they still have it. So this is how to recover deleted photos on WhatsApp. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.